Are fairies real or not? It's a good question, isn't it? On some level they are not. They cannot be photographed or measured, and scientists will say they exist in the imagination only. Fine, I think we can all agree that reasonably well. But the question is whether or not the imagination is real. And some would easily say, no, it's not. It's imagination. It's different for everybody, and it's not the same from one moment to the next. It's ephemeral and ethereal. Yes, that's true, but that's also true of physical reality as well. It depends on your time frame, doesn't it? Everything in the physical world is only momentary as well, from the point of view of the eternal cosmic truth. It's just a different time dimension that we're studying. So fairies are as real as physical reality in the final degree. Now, fairies are in some ways metaphorical, anthropomorphic images. We turn an energy into the image of a person, a living thing, typically an animal or a person. In this case, a fairy is a small version of a person to most people. We make an energy into this form, anthropomorphic, making it into the form of a person. In order for us to enable our understanding of it, if we can only express our sense of reality in terms of what we know, then we have to turn everything into that. Or we can't talk about it, we can't understand it, we can't know it. And so in ancient times, when they were trying to get a sense of subtle energies and the zeitgeist, the time spirit, what's going on right now energetically or atmospherically in the mood of the moment, everybody knows that moments have moods. Morning really does feel very different from mid-afternoon, doesn't it? We don't have to go into politics and social statements to know that every single moment has got a different atmosphere. And that's part of its magic, that's part of its spell, that's part of the ingredients that make up the events of that moment, is the atmosphere which gives rise to the events. And that atmosphere is not measurable. It's not something a scientist can actually tell you is different in this way exactly from that one yesterday. They can't do that. But we can. Each of us knows that a certain feeling is comparable to another one. We have a great deal of access to these subtle realities.